Hi, this is Dr. Jeremy Daly with Synercon Technologies. Today I want to talk about methods for connecting the Forensic Link Adapter to the Preview website. We will go over the following. 1. Direct connection to a local area network. 2. Internet connection sharing with Windows. 3. Using the Forensic Link Adapter as a DHCP server. And 4. An Ethernet to wireless adapter. Let's start with a direct connection to LAN. A typical home network will have an Ethernet switch and a cable modem or some other device to provide internet access. The cable modem is the device that gives the IP address to the Forensic Link Adapter. So we simply plug into an empty port on our Ethernet switch, and once that's connected, the Forensic Link Adapter will be able to obtain an IP address, as you can see here with 192.168.15.15. If you're not at home or at the office, you may be able to share your internet connection that you have on a laptop to the Forensic Link Adapter.
With the internet connected, we want to be able to share this connection. So on Windows 10, we scroll up to the device and we can press Network Settings. We'll scroll down to the bottom, go to Change Adapter Options. This is the Wi-Fi, and from here we look at the properties, and it says sharing, and it says allow other network users to connect through this internet. Press OK. Here it says 192.168.137.4. If you right click on the Ethernet connection and select status and then press details, you can see that the same IP address is there except for the last digit.
There may be times in the field where you do not have access to the internet, but you still need to connect to the Forensic Link Adapter to use the FLA Preview site. In the field, we're going to have to connect the USB to Ethernet jack if you're using a Surface computer and has no Ethernet. And you'll connect power and power up the Forensic Link Adapter. So this picture shows the simulated environment where you'd be plugging the FLA into the cigarette lighter adapter. Once this is done, we can scroll through the menus to the configuration and enable the DHCP server. This will give the Forensic Link Adapter an IP address of 10.0.0.1. If we type this address into the browser that's connected to the FLA, it will pull up the Forensic Link Adapter Preview. In Preview, you'll be able to see an example of what the records are. You'll get full-length speed records on many of the supported ECUs that the Forensic Link Adapter has. To the bottom, you'll see that the files are there. You can check the archived files for the previous downloads that you've done that are all stored on the FLA. Also, the user manual and the drivers are available, which is important if you don't have access to the internet. You can still download them in the field. Finally, there's a configuration menu. At this point, you can change the time zone of the FLA. Finally, the last way to connect the Forensic Link Adapter is to use a dedicated wireless appliance. In this case, we use a TP-Link that is designed to share a 3G, 4G connection. iPhone is connected to the TP-Link by typing in the address that you see on the Forensic Link Adapter screen. The Surface computer is able to see the FLA preview. This method requires detailed setup with the wireless adapter and may not be suitable for everyone. In this video, we've gone over 4 different ways to connect the Forensic Link Adapter to a network. The first was using a direct LAN connection. The second was using internet connection sharing through Windows. The third was using the DHCP server built into the FLA. And finally, using a dedicated network appliance to connect and build your own network. Thank you for your attention. Please contact us by email at support@synercontechnologies.com if we can provide you with any assistance.